Not a lot of great stuff coming out of Saudi Arabia these days, but this one is good. Saudi Arabia apparently just completed the first ever successful brain surgery to treat depression.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, a medical team specialized
Wait a
in
minute. They've been doing that for years, lobotomies.
Right. Well, it's kind of, this is kind of what's going on.
Conversion therapy.
Turn you into a zombie.
With surgery.
They did this all the time in the 20s.
What are you talking about?
I thought the
First
Saudis
brain
were all
surgery.
No. So the guy actually is, functional.
Got it.
So a medical team specialized in neurosurgery and psychiatry at King Salman Medical Center in Madinah has succeeded in alleviating the suffering of a patient from chronic depression. So this person has been suffering from severe depression for over 25 years, anxiety, and a medical team consisting of neurosurgeons and psychiatrists. They performed what's called a bilateral anterior gyrus resection, which basically sounds like a lobotomy, which was successful without any complications. The patient's mood, psychological condition have improved. The patient's sleep hours returned to normal, and he moved away from permanent sadness, anxiety, and excessive thinking about death.
Nice.
And
Into
when
what?
asked,
You got a picture of this guy?
I don't, unfortunately. So when asked
How smart is he?
how he was feeling, the patient said, "I'm not sad, but and I don't want to kill myself, but you're really hard to kill yourself when you don't know who you are."
Yeah, exactly.
He said, they go, how you feel? He goes, nothing.
Nothing.
He goes, it's not like I'm going to try out for Jeopardy anytime soon, but
I don't know what I'm even mad about. I got no memories.
yeah.
Yeah.
We took away all of his nerve endings. And
So I guess this is the part of the brain. It's sensory input to emotions, emotional responses to
God.
pain. So he's basically
I'm
just
a sociopath. Stupid sociopath.
Exactly. They created a sociopath, it sounds like.
that's great.
But hey, he's not sad anymore.
We should maybe check to see what's going on with him before we do a ton of these operations on a lot of people, right?
Yeah, how can they say it's successful so quickly? That's very alarming.
Let's do some research. Post-op research.
They just wanted some good press,
Yeah.
I don't think he's going to make it.
If it was a woman, they just kill her.
Yeah.
Or even worse, they just let her be depressed. They're like,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, but hey, congratulations to Saudi Arabia for curing depression.
No, I think what this is like
Humanitarian efforts over there.
it's
Great.
like it's like what you guys said. It's just a lobotomy, but it's going to come back in style, right? Lobotomies got outlawed back in the day,
Yeah.
but because there's so many homos now, it's going to come back in style. Just like institutions, like they're going to
euthanizing
they're
them,
going to
they're
do
lobotomizing
institutions
them.
too.
Exactly,
Watch.
Will.
The next big thing is like they're going to be like it's progressive to have institutions, and so they're going to bring back institutions, and they're going to lobotomies and institutions will come back, and they'll be like, this is the caring thing to do. Meanwhile, the same people got rid of it like 30 years ago, but it'll just keep cycling.
It's a polished turd as opposed to a chisel and a hammer in the forehead or a drill. It's like they actually do a real surgery and then just remove all emotion and make you a zombie.
Right.
So this is a lobotomy done with better tools.
It's the nicer version of lobotomy, right? Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
Right.
And it just like they'll have like a little bit nicer,
Wallpaper.
like Shutter Island facilities next time.
Exactly.
They'll just
Less
be slightly
feces on the
nicer.
wall, at least at first.
Right.
Yeah, or it'll be cleaned. Yeah. It's just the
Cameras.
polishing the
They'll have
turd.
cameras. They'll actually film it or claim they'll film it at least.
Yes, while it's funded, until it's not funded, and then people shit on the
I
walls
think
again.
it's just a fad thing. This is just a cyclical fad. Yeah.
That's like bell bottoms. Lobotomies.
Yeah. So.